Okay, so we're given this problem of determine if the function f of x equals x squared plus 3 has an inverse function. Well, first, let's recall. Because it's an x squared, the basic x squared is a parabola that looks something kind of like this. So this is our basic x squared. Well, when I say plus 3, this entire x squared plus 3 graph is going to say go up to the number 3 and basically just stay the same general shape. Well, knowing that that's our graph, one of the things we can say is, hey, if I pick this shape and I were to draw its inverse graph, I would get something that looks akin to this picture right here. So our inverse that I just drew, and for some reason that's kind of bizarre that it would do this here. Let me erase this real quick. Okay, erasing that strange mistake there and saying, okay, so here's our 3 and our sideways parabola this time. This pink inverse graph doesn't necessarily mean that it's a function. So to test if it's a function, I need to say, okay, if I do my vertical line test, I can see that when I do the vertical line test, it hits the graph in more than one spot. So no, the inverse is not a function because it does not pass the vertical line test on the graph. So that means, yes, the original that I was given, this green, while it is a function, when I invert it, it's not going to make a function. So it does not have an inverse function. It does have an inverse, just that inverse is not a function.